Don't forget to check out the link in the description below to buy this amazing long beaded necklace. Now, have you ever pondered the power of a well-chosen accessory? How it can transform an outfit, express your personality, or even tell a story? Today, we're delving into the world of fashion accessories, specifically focusing on this exquisite piece of jewelry. Imagine a necklace, not just any necklace, but a 36-inch long piece adorned with an assortment of gemstones. This is not a figment of our imagination, but a tangible reality found on Etsy, listed by Beaded 1, owned by Katie. This necklace isn't just about its length, it's about the versatility it offers. It's ready to wear, and the length is adjustable, which means it can be worn in multiple ways, adding a fresh look to your outfit each time. But what truly sets it apart is the variety of gemstones you can choose from. Yes, you heard it right. You can select the stone of your choice from a drop-down variation menu. The necklace is not only versatile, but also affordable. Currently, it's available at a 20% discount, which makes it an even more enticing purchase. Not to mention, Beaded 1 is a star seller, known for providing a sterling customer experience. However, it's not just about buying a necklace, it's about being part of a story. Katie, the owner of Beaded 1, is a professional seller, earning positive reviews from her customers. When you buy this necklace, you're not just adding a beautiful accessory to your collection, you're supporting an artisan's passion. To summarize, the long beaded necklace from Beaded 1 is a unique blend of versatility, affordability, and beauty, handcrafted by a dedicated artisan. It's more than just an accessory. It's a statement, a story, and a testament to the power of well-chosen fashion accessories. Remember, a well-chosen accessory can make all the difference. It can transform an outfit, express your personality, and even tell a story. So why not make your story a beautiful one with this long beaded necklace? Don't let this chance slip away. If you loved this necklace as much as we do, don't forget to check out the link in the description below. This long beaded necklace is not just an accessory. It's a statement, an expression, a piece of your unique narrative. So, seize the opportunity now. Make your story a beautiful one with this long beaded necklace.